Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about something that many of us require to do at some point or the other. Now, many of you might have some files or folders that contain sensitive information and you might have to hide it from someone, or you might just want to do it for fun. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to hide or unhide a folder. So there are two ways to hide or unhide a folder. The first is the easy way, but it is also very easy to crack. The other is a better way, and a few people know about it. So let's start with the easy way. Now, if I want to hide any folder, say I want to hide a folder named Android in the new volume E. So I'll just select that folder. Then I'll go to View and then click on Hide Selected Items and press OK. The folder will be hidden, but it is also very easy to crack. To crack it, just go to View again and click on Hidden Items. Now you will be seeing Android again. So it is a very lame way. I would not prefer you to use this way. Now in order to unhide it, just select it again and go to View. Just select it, go to View and click on Hide Selected Items and click OK. Now this folder will be unhidden. Now the other way, the better way, is by using the command prompt. Now go to the command prompt. Now in order to hide the folder in the volume E, first I'll have to go to that directory in command prompt. So I'll go to the volume E by pressing capital E and colon. Now I'm present in that directory. Now to make changes here, to hide my folder, just type attrib space the name of the folder, which is Android, and then give the attributes plus H space plus R space plus S space plus A and press enter. Now if I go to new volume E, I can see that Android folder is nowhere to be found. Now even if I go to View and click on Hidden Items, it won't show the folder name Android because I've hidden all its attributes. Now I'll just uncheck it. Now in order to unhide it, go back to the command prompt again and reverse these commands by just changing the plus signs to the minus signs. I'm just going to change all these signs and then press enter. Now if you go back to the volume E, you'll see the Android folder is present. So it's as easy as that, but not many people know about it. So it's a better way to hide your folder. And one thing I forgot, if your folder contains two words, like the Android was one word, but if your folder has two words, then while writing the name of the folder, just include it in double quotes. That will otherwise the command won't work. So this was all for this video, and I hope this was helpful. Before you go, please like this video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel KNP's Fun with Tech. Thank you.